Bathroom. Bathroom. You have a T hand shaking it back and forth like for the sign toilet. Bathroom. Go. Go. Your fingers move forward like you're going somewhere. Go. Come. Come. It's the sign go to, but moving in towards yourself. Come. And last, farewell signs. Thank you. Thank you. Your dominant hand is coming out from your chin. Thank you. See you later. See you later. You're doing the sign for see and flipping it to later. See you later. See you later. Nice to meet you. You're signing nice, and then your people are standing up, coming together to meet, and then pointing back to you. Nice to meet you. Take care. Take care. This is at the end of the conversation when you tell somebody goodbye and to take care. Goodbye. Goodbye. It's just like you're waving goodbye. Goodbye.